MVC Chapter 1 MVC History MVC is a part of software architecture patterns that have an important place in software engineering. MVC, that is Model View Controller, which consists of the initials of the words model, view, and controller, was created by IO4 in 1979 and was used in many projects in software development. Recently, the popularity of Microsoft has increased with the combination of the MVC pattern with ASP.NET technology. The MVC pattern consists of 3 layers, and its layers work independently without affecting each other. What is model? Model is the section where the business logic of the project is created in MVC. Along with the business logic, verification and data access operations are also carried out in the section. What is view? View is the section where the interfaces of the project are created in MVC. This section contains the HTML files of the project that will be presented to the users. File extensions can also change according to the software languages in which the project is developed. Another point to be considered according to the size of the projects is foldering. What is controller? Controller is the part that controls the business processes of the project in MVC. In this section, the connection between view and model is established. MVC lifecycle. HTTP request, it's a request that you want to view every ASP.NET MVC application. This is what you want is received by IIS over HTTP. Every request you make is answered by the server. It must end. Routing. Every time you make a request to the ASP.NET MVC application, your response is stopped by the URL routing module, HTTP module. When URL routing module stops the request, it is decided by which controller will handle the incoming request from the route table. Controller, according to the route information coming from the route table, the view is run whichever action the controller will run. View is not rendered by the controller. View result is returned by the controller. MVC lifecycle. View result calls the active view engine to render the view. View engine, when you create a CSHTML file, its scripts and markups are some ASP.NET APIs by the Razor View engine to convert your page to HTML. View codes translated into HTML by View engine are presented to the user. Response. View is displayed to the user over HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol.